Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED when receive notification on Samsung Galaxy A06. Simply go on Play Store, install this application Edge Lightning LED Border LED. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Go in Edge Lightning. From here you can customize the Edge Lightning. For example, you can select 3 colors, 2 colors. I am selecting 3 colors. Here you get color palettes. For example, I am selecting this one. If you scroll down, here you get border type. If you select this, as you can see, dot border is showing. If you select this, as you can see, heart border is showing. I will simply select the default. If you scroll down more, here you get some more customization like animation speed, border size, radius top, radius bottom. From here you can enable the notch LED. Simply tap on this toggle, scroll down. As you can see, notch LED is not coming on the right position, so you can customize it from here. As you can see, I have customized the notch LED. Now simply go back. Make sure enable this option show when notification arrive. Scroll down, tap on select apps. From here you can select the apps. Like I want LED light on Google Mail notification, so I will simply select Google Mail. That's it. Simply go in notification. Like it is by default 5 seconds, you can simply increase it and decrease it. Simply tap on save. That's how you can enable LED when receive notification on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.